How to fix Facebook. Your account has been disabled on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to solve and fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First we just open settings, and when you open settings we'll just go directly to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and go directly now to Facebook, and you will open it like this. Then go to storage, and on storage go directly to clear data, and on clear data click OK, and that's it. Your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.